Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Today we got another freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you download right away. Now, the name of this watch face is called GPG Digital21. It's also a 12, 24-hour watch face that I think you're gonna like. But I like the black background. I like that it's gonna help to save on battery life. That's what really caught my attention. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look, the same design. When the watch face is on, I do like the analog theme. I think it brings out the watch face. I also like the depth, has a 3D look to it. Now, up at the top, you will get a floating second hand. It's going to be red. If you look right at the top right now, you'll see it floating around. You're also going to get your year. You come down, you're going to get your day of the week and your date information. Dead center, right in the circle, you are going to be able to get your digital time, which is very legible. You get a PM stamp, animated seconds to the right. Down at the bottom, you will be able to get your battery info. So everything you need is right up front, but this is not a fitness watch face. This is definitely a everyday wear watch face, whether it be for the work week or whether it be just for a simple casual wear over the weekend. But it is worth having in your archives. This does get my stamp of approval, but again, you guys, you let me know. Now, if you double tap right on the date, you can pull up the calendar, set an event, and if you double tap on the time, you can set an alarm as well. Down at the bottom, you can double tap, and it'll bring up your, of course, battery info, which is already laid out for you, so I don't see you doing that. But overall, I thought it was a good look. Question is, what do you think? Let me know. I would like to know if it's a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure you share this on social media to help the channel out. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next one. Take care.